The State Capture Commission of Inquiry resumes today with evidence from retired Col Johannes Van Loggerenberg. He's a former member of the now disbanded Scorpions crime-busting unit. ENC's Michael Appel is following the inquiry and is joining us now live from Parktown, where the Zondo Commission of Inquiry usually sits. Michael, very good morning to you. Retired Col Johannes Van Loggerenberg, set to take the stand today. He comes from the disbanded Scorpions. I'm just wondering, what is he bringing? Do we have any inkling at all what this is all about?
Good morning, Brother Dan. No, we don't. In a nutshell, all the State Capture Inquiry has told us is that he will be appearing in relation to law enforcement matters. That's all we know at the moment. We're not sure where exactly in this complicated web of state capture exactly retired Colonel Johannes Van Loggerenberg, not to be confused, Brother Dan, with Johan Van Loggerenberg, from closely associated with the South African Revenue Service and what the media coined the so-called SARS rogue unit. So I just want to clarify that point. Johan Van Loggerenberg yesterday getting in touch, reaching out to ENCA, my colleague Aaron Bates, to clarify that he has been falsely connected to today's testimony. So Johannes and Johan, not the same person, and he pretty much summed up exactly what you said there, that Johannes Van Loggerenberg, the retired colonel, was involved with the Directorate for Special Operations, the Scorpions, before they were disbanded. He's also a state witness in the corruption case against former President Jacob Zuma. But as I say, Brother Dan, where exactly he fits into the complicated world and of state capture, we simply won't know, but proceedings do get underway at 10 o'clock.
Yeah, and of course law enforcement agencies have been embroiled in one way or another from previous evidence by other people who've appeared before the Zondo Commission. So maybe it will be along those lines or something completely new. We'll have to wait and see.
Yeah, that's right, Brother Dan. And just a small recap of what the inquiry heard yesterday. It was the former president who took up the majority of the day, whether it was due to an undisclosed medical condition. We know that the argument for application to summons the former president, that was heard. It's been postponed due to there being a meeting of minds that the Deputy Chief Justice is going to meet the leader of the medical team of Jacob Zuma, and they're going to confidentially disclose whatever is ailing the former statesman. And thereafter, the legal team for the inquiry will once again say they're going to afresh bring this application to summons him at some stage once it is appropriate, and obviously once the legal team, in discussion with the Deputy Chief Justice, knows that it is even viable for the former president to come and make an appearance here again.
Okay, and just to recap quickly, Michael, while I have you on the line, retired Colonel Johannes Van Loggerenberg taking the stand at 10 o'clock this morning.
That is right.
Thank you very much.
Retired Colonel Johannes, that's right.
Thank you very much, Michael Appel.